Article number 6? Yes. Marriage, family, children. Oh, one. Marriage and the family shall enjoy the special protection of the state. Yes. Now, the special protection of the state? Yes. I just wanted to know, Judge Ken Williams, are there special protections of the family in the state of Washington? Yes. Because when my wife issued or had you issue a dissolution of marriage, yes, she had me arrested 4 days later when you served me the dissolution of marriage. Yes. Now, I don't consider that a special protection. Now, in fact, I would say that after I responded, yes, on August 24th of 2012, yes, and I did read most all the documentation. Oh. And then she did her children in the middle class on June 26th of 2012. Yes. She did that at Healthy Families of Clallam County. Well, I did my children in the middle class. Yes. And then I responded, yes, with documentation. Pooch. And then she motioned three days later for a default dissolution of marriage. Yes. Can you tell me how that marriage and families have the special protection of the state of Washington that you would allow a woman, knowing I had done the children in the middle class, yes, that I had responded according to the requirements of the law, how you could possibly allow for the continuing of the dissolution of marriage when she knowingly motioned the court for a default dissolution of marriage. And then why, yes, would you have issued a protection order knowing that she abducted my sons because I wasn't purchased a plane ticket? Oh, see, this bullshit about domestic violence and child abuse. The truth was that Sandy and Wayne and Danny Rankin and a few others, yes, had decided to only buy 7 plane tickets. Ooch, isn't that right, Woods? Yes. And instead of alleging domestic violence and child abuse, yes, long before the purchase of the plane tickets, they intentionally didn't buy me a plane ticket because they did know that they would, in a premeditated way, have me put in jail. Now, it was not truthful, okay? It wasn't honest, yes, to say that you were going to buy me a plane ticket and my family, yes. And then I informed the pastor of the Brennan Community Church that I wanted them to hold off on buying the plane tickets. Yes, because I wanted to make sure of employment when we left. Now, Heidi would have to explain. Heidi, it's your husband right now. Oh, teaching certificate from the state of Washington? Ouch. Well, I emailed 600 civil rights coordinators. Yes. I emailed the superintendent of the Sequim School District. I emailed law enforcement. Poop. And for some reason, what do I know? I do not see any special protections of marriage and family. Now, the care and upbringing of children is the natural right of parents and a duty primarily incumbent upon them. The state shall watch over them in the performance of this duty. Yes. Could you get the state of Washington? I want the legislatures in each and every state to understand we're going to have some war crime tribunals, and I'm going to invite state legislatures to participate. Did you get an email from me today? Now, the state allowed for my sons to be taken from me when the care and upbringing of my children is my natural right as a parent and a duty primarily incumbent upon me. And every day I told you to remove your foot. You have violated Article number 6 of the German Constitution. Are you German or are you American? Is it Germain? Exactly what citizenship of the United States of America